Let's talk about MetaMask in 2025, one of the most popular crypto wallets and Web3 gateways out there. MetaMask allows you to securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and many tokens built on Ethereum's blockchain. It's also your key to exploring the Web3 world, giving you easy access to decentralized apps, NFT marketplaces, and DeFi platforms. One of the biggest benefits of MetaMask is its user friendly browser extension and mobile app, which syncs seamlessly. This makes managing your crypto assets simple, whether you are on desktop or on the go. Security is a top priority. MetaMask lets you control your private keys, giving you full ownership of your funds. But remember, keeping your seed phrase safe is crucial. MetaMask supports multiple networks and allows custom token additions, making it versatile for all your crypto needs. In 2025, MetaMask remains a go to wallet for both beginners and experienced crypto users who want a reliable and flexible tool for the growing Web3 space. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment on what crypto tool or wallet you want me to review next.